Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to provide a solution to this interesting IGCSE statistics question. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's get started. The question reads, E, F and G represent integers such that E, F7, G12, 17 is a list of integers in order of size. So they are in ascending order because you can see 12 before 17. With a range of 15, a median of 8.5 and a mean of 9. So we are asked to find E, F and G. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the range. The range is what? The difference between the highest and the least in a set of data. So let's say that because we are given the range as what? 15, which implies that 17 take away E. E is the least. This is equal to what? 15. Which implies that E is equal to 17 minus 15, and finally E is equal to 2. So we are done with E. Then we are told that the median is 8.5. So what is the median? The middle number. So if you cover 2 here, you cover 2 here. Oh, so we have 2 numbers at the middle. Whenever you have 2 numbers at the middle, add them together and divide by 2. So we are done with this. Then the second one, the middle numbers are 7 and G. If you add them together, you divide by 2. This is going to give us, why is it? I can't find it anymore. Okay, look at it here, 8.5. So we can cross multiply. We have 7 plus G equals, this time this is 17, right? 2 times 8.5 is 17. So we have 17. Let's do mental math. What can you add to G to a number to get, what can you add to 7 to get 17 is 10. Therefore, G is equal to 10. We are done with this one. And the last one, we are told that the mean of this data is 9, which implies that once you add all of them and you divide by their number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you must get 9, which implies that the sum of all of these numbers is equal to 9 times 6. Yes. So we have E, which is 2, plus F, which is 10, plus 7, plus G, plus 12, plus 17. This is the same thing as 9 multiplied by 6. Remember, we're supposed to divide by 6, so I directly multiply both sides by 6. This is 12, 19, 20, 31, 48, if I'm not mistaken. So we have G plus 48 equals 9 times 6 is 54, right? 54. So G is equal to 54, take away 48. You know I don't like these smaller numbers. This is equal to 6. But let's confirm this. 2, 10, 12, 19, right? 20, 31, 48. Yeah, that's correct. So this is the solution to this problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.